Good afternoon. My name is Alina Shevtsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to talk to you about recent developments in immigration court practice. Specifically, a couple of days ago, Attorney General issued yet another decision limiting scope of authority of immigration judges. Specifically, the decision states that immigration judges do not have authority to terminate cases against respondents in immigration court, except for two very narrow situations. Why is it relevant? Well, it's relevant because if previously you would qualify for a relief that you could apply either with immigration judge or with immigration court, if the immigration court would terminate your case, then it would be easier and usually less stressful for a person to ask the court to terminate the proceedings against them, so they're no longer in immigration proceedings, no longer in deportation proceedings, and the person would go to apply for relief with USCIS. This situation was very common for marriage cases that developed during the person's removal proceedings, for example, or maybe siege cases, when application for special immigrant juvenile status is decided and now it's the person's time to file for green card, not any longer. What the Attorney General stated in his decision is that immigration judges may terminate the case against the person only if the person is eligible for naturalization, and in immigration judge's discretion, that's what the person should be allowed to do. And another situation where the case can be closed is when the case is dismissed. But to dismiss a case, there should be a very narrow, very specific ground. Usually is when the charge of removability or deportability cannot be proven because the person is already, for example, a US citizen. So it's relevant and you should know about that, because if you are in immigration court proceedings where you're going to be, this decision you need to take into consideration when you work on a strategy of representation and when you work on what relief from removal or deportation you're going to be filing for. That's very important. And as always, you can read more about immigration court practice and what relief from removal you might have on our website, www.shevtsova.com. Thank you.